Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys are my rosebuds. I don't know if you guys know, but it's always in the description. So today I'm doing my makeup because quarantine. So as I just showed on screen, I am using the Infallible L'Oreal foundation in 455, as well as the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in medium peach. So today, as you guys can tell, I'm actually doing a voiceover because during this time I was doing my makeup at night watching Tiger King. That may explain my facial expression just then, but yeah, so now I'm contouring my face with my obviously go-to Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche contour palette using a BH Cosmetics brush. Just contouring away. So as you can see, I'm extending that contour where my eyelids are, the outer portion, and bringing that all the way to my temple. I just saw Robert talk about it when James Charles did it, so I've been adding that into my routine. It makes kind of a difference. It makes it look pulled back. A nice, transition to that area. I don't know what I'm saying, go watch his video. So now I'm contouring my nose. I use I use a stubby round brush, and I just make two lines, and I blend that roughly. And if you feel like you've gone too far, too much product, if you use too much product, then go in with a foundation brush. That's exactly what I did here to calm that down. So yeah, you guys, be careful during this time. Make sure you are handling the situation seriously and doing all the precautions necessary. And here you see me baking my nose for my contours. Just that, because I try not to bake as much. Now you see me picking up the Jaclyn Hill palette, no surprise. And that's what I'll be using for my eyeshadow. Okay guys, so I did this look quite a while ago, so I'm not sure if I'm going to give you guys the exact shades. But here I believe I went in with Mocha. And I put that on the outer V corner, and then also in my crease, just all of that. Then I took a different brush and I picked up Central Park, I believe, and just focusing that on the outer portions and bringing that slightly into the crease area so that you can see that definition when we do cut our crease. As you see here, my creases are cut. Now I'm going in with Silk Cream and packing that in the area where I cut my crease. I used e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. So here I'm picking up the Rose Standard Colourpop metallic liquid liner, and I'm placing that right where I cut my crease to make that line look sharp. And this, you can make your line thick. I made my line thick because I'm not as accustomed to this formula yet. So yeah. Also guys, don't forget to head over to Jesus Alejandro Solis's YouTube page because I did collab with him. He has a video up where he entrusted me to do his makeup. So there will be a link in the description, as well as an icon that will pop up on one of the corners of your screen to take you directly to that video. So yeah, go watch that one. It was pretty fun, and hopefully there'll be more collabs between him and I. This process is also lengthy, so just make sure you take your time and evaluate those lines for your metallic liquid liner. It's not easy, you just need to practice. And what better time to practice your makeup than now in quarantine and I mean, I gave you guys the entire process of me doing this liner so that you can see like cuánto se tarda uno haciendo eso, like for real. And they're not the best, but I mean it's something, right? So the next step is to highlight your inner corners, your brow bone, anywhere you want to highlight, your nose. I'll dust off this bake in a bit and do that, your nose bridge, the highest points of your cheeks, the whole 9 miles or whatever that saying is. It's 9 yards, I think, the whole 9 yards. That to me sounds better than 9 miles. But I guess if you know that saying, comment down below or something. I don't know. So next we're going in with Jeffree Star's Liquid Lips in Unicorn Blood. That's such a beautiful shade. And as you guys know, that doe foot is different than any other doe foot I've ever seen. It's curved. I'm guessing it's curved to make it better for your lips. I don't know. I didn't struggle with it as much. I don't wear this liquid lip as often, but it is one of my favorites. So I'm applying that bitch today. Now I'm using the Ardell lashes in style 174. I didn't prime my lash line with any liner. All I did was take the dark brown shade and just smudge that on my lash line to try and conceal the lashes. You can always see the lashes, don't get upset. In my case, that always happens to me. I'm over it, to be honest. But yeah, that's what I did. Alright guys, so after putting on the lashes, that was the last step. There's always that stubborn inner corner that doesn't want to stick, but anyways, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this trash of a tutorial, but anyways, bye!